Laura, bringing you a SanDisk USB drive with a difference, and it's a big difference. It says for smartphones and tablets, 32 gig storage is what you're seeing on the screen, but we've also got 64 and 128. This little device over here, this is all you carry around with you to expand your storage. But on the computer, fine, we all know what USB drive is. Laura, welcome. Not just for the computer.
No, we can use it in lots of devices, so I'll tell you everything that you can use it in. But you're quite right in saying that First of all, you can use this as a standard USB stick. So we can plug it in to our USB port on our computer, whether it's a Macintosh or whether it's a Windows computer, and we can just send our data to here, whether it's any photos, music, documents, whatever. And the great thing about this is it's called a USB 3, which means it's slightly quicker as well for transferring data. And you can always recognize a USB 3 because it's going to look blue on the USB here, but then also it's going to look a bit blue actually on your machine as well. And that's one way you can tell if you've got USB 3.
Doesn't matter because it's backwards compatible.
It is absolutely backwards compatible as well. So if you have got USB 2, you can use it. So that's the first function of it. It's a lovely tiny USB. And what we've done also is we've added a little hook onto it as well, because you can actually then put it on your key rings. Because you said you could take it everywhere, and you can. You could put it on your key rings.
Well, it's nice and compact, and it's a good price, even for what it is at the moment.
Exactly.
So 32 gig, extra space, £13, 64 is 22, and the 128 is £42. But it doesn't stop there.
Yes, so you said this is a USB flash drive with a difference, and it certainly is, because this is the difference, really. So I'm now going to do a little trick with it. As if by magic, we push this lever, and it now becomes a totally different product. This is your micro USB, and this is what goes into Android tablets, or, if you've just purchased it, the new HD 8 from Amazon. So I've got one here. So if you've just bought one, look what you can do with it.
So that's today's special value. It works with it.
So we can pop it in the top, which is where the connection is. So the first thing you're going to have to do before you can actually use this device to expand your memory further is you're going to need to get the app. So the app is in the App Store, and let me just, because it decides to open automatically when you put it in, so I'm just going to cancel that just for now. So we go into the App Store, and in the App Store, you're going to be looking for this here, a squirrel with his nut. Why a squirrel with his nut? Well, squirrels store nuts, and this is going to store your data for you, so that's why. So once we've got the free app, we're going to open it up. But as I said, when you plug it in, it will open up automatically. So here's what we're looking at. So what we're going to see is we're going to see all the data that is sitting on here. So data that I transferred from my laptop, let's say, for example, music. Why would I want to put this in and listen to music, or why would I want to put this in and look at home videos? The reason is we don't always have enough data, enough space on our actual device.
That's a massive reason, isn't it?
Yeah, well, and I've also bought some other devices it can work with as well. So it could work with most Android phones, most Android tablets. So rather than clog up the memory on here, listen to your music on this device. Don't clog up your memory on here.
And what about photographs? You could actually give this as a present for someone already with all those family photos on. If they've always been on at you about getting them copies, you could put it on here, and if you know they've got an Android device, it will plug into their tablet or smartphone as well. Lines are getting busy for this now. So
we've showed a couple of functions. We showed that you can use it as a standard USB flash drive in your computer. We showed that you can perhaps view some home videos or perhaps listen to music via the SanDisk Dual Drive, actually in your new Amazon tablet, or as I said, most Android tablets or mobile phones. But this is another really great feature. So if we're going on holiday and we are going to be using maybe our tablet to take photos, or perhaps we're going to be using our mobile phone to take photos, we could be having hundreds, if not thousands, stored on here. So you're going to now back up your photos from your tablet or mobile phone onto here. And here's how we do it. We're going to go into the menu in the corner. We're going to go up to Backup, and we're going to choose, I'm going to choose manual backup because I want to show you how you do it. You could select photos, you could select videos you've taken, you could select anything on here, hit backup now, and all your photos and videos are transferred to there.
So you've got a copy, you've saved those really precious photos you might have taken at the christening, at the wedding, at Christmas. you can then free up the space on here
You
and
delete
start
them from
again.
here. Yeah, you delete them from here.
Such a good idea. So there you go. There's a really, really good idea to get a USB stick with. A big difference if you've got an Android tablet or smartphone. We did run out of the Apple one. We do it from time to time. 508 493 is the item number to go for as well. Always a pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Lovely to see you.